Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and after opening hundreds of packages from AliExpress, Darren and I actually bought from Ali when the bigger parent company, Alibaba, all those years ago. This is getting close to my last hurrah. I have one more doll coming that I hope gets here before the tariffs. And I'm hoping that I don't get hit with tariffs on any of these dolls. None of us know how it's happening. Most people are saying that if they get tariffed, it's straight away. So let's hope. All right. So let's pull this doll out. Like I said, this is a last hurrah. Oh, he's really smashed. Please don't be broken. I'll bet he's from I know who.
Blythe Home.
Yep. Blythe Home is terrible about what they send you. They cram it in a box and off it comes. But well, that's weird. Look at the hands are already pulled apart.
And he needs eye chips.
Well, I knew that.
Yeah.
That's how they come. That's how they come. I got a little tan boy. And he does have a set of hands. Look, they're all there. Cut.
Gift just for you.
Oh, it's a gift. They gave me a gift. Okay.
It's only a gift if it's not included in the listing.
Yeah, no kidding. Okay, let's see. He clicks, everything works. I am happy. I'm not doing, boy, his head is really, really down.
That is quite a...
But I know a guy who fixes that.
I do too.
I took a doll like this, and mine was not this dark when I did Gomez, was it?
I don't think so.
Can't remember. But I did a face-up to be Gomez Adams a while ago.
A younger Gomez.
Yeah, child Gomez with the train.
Yeah, it was hilarious.
We even did a train crash. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Are all of your AliExpress orders in? Tell me in the comments. Please leave a like on this video. And if you haven't already, would you please subscribe?
And go find that Gomez train crash. It's hilarious.
I'm going to try to link.